Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on Silencio Airdrop. So Silencio is basically a new project that is on board. The overview of the project, basically it's about it measures the sound in an environment and then represents it on a graph. Like as you can see, all these hexagons basically here are all these hexagons, as you can see here, they are actually showing the sound map of the area that you are currently at. So I'm currently in this area and I'm trying to map out the sound. So this place, the red shows that the place is kind of noisy, green shows that the place is quiet. So I will go into the step-by-step guide on how to mine this project. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment in the comment section. And of course, you can also join our WhatsApp community to discuss everything airdrop and airdrop related. Of course, you can also join another DePIN project, which is Doctor.ai, a very good project with a total supply of 100 million token. This project will make you at least $1,000. So firstly, to read about the project, we can go to the news to check basically the details about it. So it, like I said, it measures sound. So to start, you click on this place right here, this plus sign. So once you click on it, there are basically three things here. You see street measurement, venue checker, noise complaint, and noise level snapshot. I said three, it's actually four. And you can invite friends. Those are the basic ways to earn their token, the Silencio token. So those are the ways to earn it. So to actually start, I'm going to click on street measurement, of course. So I'm using the mic, so that's the reason why I couldn't actually record the sound. So so if I recorded, this is what it will look like, and it will be showing me the noise around the area where I'm staying, if the place is quiet or a sound. As you can see, it's measured in decibels. That's the unit of measurement of sound, of course. So it's measuring the place where I am right now. So there is a lot of things involved in this project. They are giving you points, and as you can see, as I just measured, I was allocated 2.4 points and I covered 5 hexagons and I discovered one. The hexagons actually shows the place, like I told you, it represents a particular area. So if the area has not been recorded, you get more token. The average is 36 decibel for the place that I just recorded. So to actually do this thing, you can actually watch ads to multiply your token, but for sometimes ads are usually not available. So you just click on watch ad to multiply tokens. After a while, you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, you wait for a minute and you tap on spin. Tap to spin, of course. So it will spin. After spinning for a while, they would actually allocate a particular multiplier to you. So it will multiply the total amount I earned by 1.2. That will give me back 20% of my earning additionally. So you can also click on that place, that plus sign, and you can also see the other ways, venue checker and invite friends. So for venue checker, basically you can go to like a venue, a place which is well recognized and record, and for invite friends you get 200 coin. That's 200 in-app coin for each user that you invite, and the person also gets 200. So you can use my link in the description of this video to actually register if you haven't, of course. So let's go to explore. I'm going to show you a couple of things there. So basically this is my coin balance and this is my streak. So explore here is okay. So this app, like I said, provides sound data to know the places which are actually noisy and the places that are kind of quiet, for people that are looking forward to build or to move to places that are urban, or let's say urban areas or something. So I'm searching for Lagos, like I'm in Nigeria, so I'm searching for places, locations in Lagos which I can actually, just check out and maybe go and record the sounds there. So yeah, let me just go to this place right down here to see my profile. As you can see, I rank 92,600 currently, and I'm in Emerald League level 5. Emerald League level 5. So there are levels and there are leagues. So my X covered is 219. Those are the places that I've actually recorded. So as you can see, this is my details, my profiles, and I basically joined this month, early this month, about 5 days ago, and this is basically what I've covered, and these are the X's I discovered, and these are the venues that I checked in. As you can see, the total hours I've spent is 3 hours, and my total referrals are just 2. So this way is not mainly based on referrals, and there are actually achievements actually also help to, you know, boost your earnings in this app. So if you go to achievements, I'll show you one of the achievements I've been able to get. You know, I have actually discovered 100 unique hexagons, which are like basically places that have not been recorded before. I've actually recorded it and taken the sound sample. So there are other achievements like community, the number of your referrals. Once you get that, you get 600 coins, in-app coins, which of course will be converted to the Silencio token. So these are like, there were several. You can see this one is for 25 referrals, you get 5k in-app coins, as you can see right there. So let me just go back and show you something else. Go to the league, and I want to show you something else that is very interesting about this project. So right there, as you can see, I want to set up my avatar. Of course, the avatar won't really look like you, but just look for something that kind of like would represent you basically. So we are in the Web3 space, so basically we just look for representations instead of looking for our identity. Like, we don't want to publish our identity, so I'm just going to click on this black guy right here. So kind of look like me, it looks like me. So let me just select that, although my face is not like that though. So I'm going to go to explore. Like I said, explore will actually teach you a lot about this project. This is where, if someone wants to use the app to, you know, check or locate where they can find good places, like that's what they would basically use. So these are the different pins, different codes rather, depending on the noise level. They say moderate rain, whispering, and you know, that's how you just identify the area which you should go to, you should visit, if it's an urban area or just a, you know, like a place that has lower noise and it's not really industrialized, all those kind of things. So as you can see, this is my earnings so far, and this is my expected coin for the beta token. That's my this is the Silencio coin, the real coin that will be listed. So let me just go to this place and show you a couple of things more. As you can see, I can check the users outside, like in abroad, outside countries, which are actually participating in this app and actively contributing. So you can actually you know, join their WhatsApp, their Twitter community, and you know, I will enter my my Twitter username to actually join, and I will be given 200 coins to actually own. Don't forget to actually check in my link in the description of this video, and of course you can also check in Doctor.ai. also, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. Kindly check them out, they are very great projects. So as you can see, I've been awarded the token. Of course, you can complete the Discord task, it's still the same thing. So basically still the same thing. So for the leagues, basically, as you can see, my rank has actually increased, and my level also in emerald level league. So there are 2 leagues ahead of me, and I can actually show you guys what the leagues are about currently. This is emerald league, so I'm going to go to this place to show you the leagues. So as you can see, each league represents 10%, so they are going to award the airdrop based on the leagues. So the higher the league levels, to higher SLC tokens, that's the Silencio token that they'll be giving out, Silencio coin. So like I said, it's just basically depending on your rank. So I'm going to go back there again to show you other leagues that are currently available. So we'll explore other leagues. So we have the diamond, which is the number 1, of course, that's my M. And then we have the ruby league, and we have the emerald league, which of course is the league that I'm currently on, and we have the sapphire league, I just left there, and Amateur League. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but basically there are just several leagues there. So each of the leagues represents your airdrop allocation. They will be allocating a specific amount of token to leagues and levels. So don't forget to join. Of course, this project is very good. It's very good. I don't want to extend this video to make it very long. Of course, in the future I can actually make extended video. Subscribe to the channel, join our WhatsApp community, and thanks for watching. See you on the